What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Sweet and Savory Barbecue. I'm your host, Jamie Trader. Today we're going to be doing lobster tail on our big green egg. Let's get started. So we've got 3 lobster tails here. They're weighing at about 9 ounces. I'm going to split them in half. It's going to allow us to build some great seasoning on them. Kind of come right in the middle. Use a little bit of pressure. Get through that shell. Kind of like that. Just take your time. Get right through it. And you're going to have 2 halves. And you can see we can get seasoning, butter, anything you want, all on the inside of that lobster. Come in here to these other 2. So we've got our tails split. Again, we just split them right down the middle. We're going to come back really light with some seasoning. I'm going to use the Killer Hogs AP as our base layer. You can use salt and pepper, that's just fine. Again, just want to make sure you go kind of light. We don't want to overpower this lobster. There we go. For some color and for some citrus flavor, we're going to use the Swine Life Mississippi Grind. Again, really, really light. Come over each tail. And that is all the seasoning we're going to put on these. We're going to let these hang out right here on the cutting board while we get our big green egg going. For fuel for our big green egg, we're using Royal Oak lump charcoal. Just dump it in there. Put a couple of tumbleweeds down here in the middle. Kind of build the charcoal kind of up around them. Give them a light. We're going to let this go until we have a good base of coals down here. We've got a good base of coals going. We're going to get our deflector shield as well as our cooking grate. I'm not going to use any wood chunks in our egg today. We don't want to overpower this lobster. This lump charcoal from Royal Oak is going to provide all the smoke flavor we need for this. We're going to start dialing in our temperatures. We're going to be looking between 350 and 375. Not really going low and slow with these lobsters. We're almost going to grill them. Our big green eggs nestled in here at 350. I'm going to come in here, shell side down, place them, make sure they're over the deflector shield. Just close the lid. We're going to let them cook. We're going to be looking for about 140 in that flesh. So we're going to make up our butter that we're going to put over the top of this lobster. We're going to melt a stick of butter here first thing in the pot, and we're going to add a few other ingredients once it's melted. So our butter's melted. We're going to add in about a tablespoon of minced garlic. Let that go. We're going to add about a tablespoon of lime juice, a pinch of parsley, and about a teaspoon of Old Bay. Just mix that up and keep it warm. As the lobster gets finished, we'll just drizzle this over the top of it and make it taste awesome. So our lobster's at 135 right now. Just gonna come in here with that butter. Just give them a base for these last few degrees. They're smelling awesome, they're looking awesome. It won't be long. And you know, you gotta pour up the rest of this butter in a bowl. We're going to dip them in it. Give them a few more minutes, they'll be done. So our lobster tails are done. They are looking fantastic. We're going to get them off here. They don't need to rest long at all. We're going to try them. So our lobster's off and it's ready to eat right off the grill. Before we try them, we're going to do a quick review. We started with 3 9-ounce lobster tails. Just split them in half. Seasoned up with the Killer Hogs AP, followed by the Swine Life Mississippi Grind. Got them on our egg at 350 degrees. Didn't use any wood for this, just used the Royal Oak lump charcoal. That's all it takes. Doesn't take long at all, so don't walk away from them. You're looking for 140 degrees for these lobster tails. At 135, we basted them with the butter we made. We've got that poured up here. You know I'm going to dip it in it. I'm going to come in here, get this lobster out of here. Comes right out of the shell. Dip it right in that butter. Wow. Hang on. You can't beat that. It's simple. You get the lemon flavor, you get the garlic, the butter, the seasonings. That's just fantastic lobster tail. That's all you can say about it. Thank you for checking out this week's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell and watch the next one we got picked out for you, and we'll see you next time.